So here goes for the first tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, like I've already done one lash. So I'm using Unicorn Cosmetics Vixen. So they're a thick band. I'm gonna be using some tweezers. And then I've got this rubbish lash glue because I couldn't find mine. So I've had to pour it on some foil. Yay! So what I'm gonna do is, the easiest way to do this is to get some tweezers under the band, gently pull them off. Ooh. Okay. Woohoo! What I'm then going to do is I'm just going to make sure that there's no glue left on this lash, so doing it with the tweezers and holding that. So just literally pulling the glue off. Ugh. I should have done this beforehand, but hey ho. Just make sure that your lashes are clear of glue, because they will last a hell of a lot longer. I need to find a really good filter because it's not a good filter. Beauty mode. Okay. So we're nearly done. Just trying to get this last bit off the corner. This is so much hard work. Right. Make sure there's no glue left on, otherwise your tweezers will get stuck to your lash. I'm just going to take the corners off because they tend to really annoy me. I've cut them down to size, so. Okay. Now they're ready to go on, so I literally like grip them in the middle there. Then put a bit of glue. Just, it says one drop, but it's not coming out in drops. So then all I'm gonna do is run the band through the glue. Obviously if you've got a brush on, it's fine. Just brush it on, but make sure you pay close attention to the corners because they're the ones that always pop back up again. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just making sure that the corners are fully dipped in. Now we're just going to wait around. About 40 seconds, wait for it to la la la, get tacky, wait for it to get tacky. Tacky. At least I know how long it's taken to put an eyelash on. Obviously if you're putting falsies on yourself, blow it, get a hairdryer on it if you need to. Obviously, like, but I wouldn't do this on anybody else. It's obviously just spreading bacteria. Okay, so that's tacky and that's ready to go on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just place it on the top, and I've got a mirror for this because I can't blooming see otherwise, and then grab the corner and just make sure that's stuck down. Grab the inner corner and do the same, as close to your lash line as possible, but try not to go on your lashes. And then I'm just gently putting pressure on it. And that is that. Lashes completely on. It's literally that simple. Mine never ever sit right, so push them down, push them up, so you get the right amount of flutter on both sides. And there we have it. Beautiful, beautiful lashes.